Hey gang, Jason here for the Love of Tractors, and let's call this what I got at the National Farm Toy Show Tractors Edition, well, in Combine, because there's going to be a part 2, and it's going to show some other things, some trucks and things that I got there. So, anyway, here we go, tractors. So, first up, let's just start with this. So this is the, you guys know about this already, the 4W220. You can see there, it's the National Farm Toy Show, big stamp on there. So, pretty neat tractor. I'll do a full review on this in the not too distant future, but looks cool. Like it's good, nicely detailed, really nice touches on here. You know, not certainly not like an Authentics level, but pretty dang good looking tractor, I think. So, you have to let me know what you guys think of that down below. But I'm really excited about that tractor. Okay, moving on. So let's go to the grain cart here. So this is a Brent, and I'm gonna have trouble reading the number on that. Maybe you guys can read the number on that. There you go. I just don't have my glasses with me. So this is a Dave Hallman, Heartland Customs. You guys may know him. Really neat piece here. So obviously the auger folds out like so and back in. It's kind of got the tip tops on it, so that's cool. Big floater tires. We've got an SMV decal back here, as well as some nice looking flashers there. I just like the all the little sort of detailed light ladder here. And we've got like the grating inside to kind of cover the auger, and you got your bows here to hold your sides together for structural integrity and all of that. So really cool. I've wanted one of these for quite a while, so I had to jump on it when I saw one. Might be a little customization potential. I may put a tarp on this thing. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just not sure yet, and I'm not sure how feasible that is with this with like the tip top situation there. But I love that thing. That's super cool. I'm excited to have one. I've always wanted kind of a smaller, nicely detailed grain cart, so I'm really pumped that I got one. Okay, so moving on. Here is another Dave Hallman piece. Again, Heartland Customs, if you want to find him. So this is a John Deere 6600. And this is another one of those, like he teases me. He posts all these pictures on the Facebook groups, and I see them, and I'm like, oh, I want one of those. But, obviously kind of got to save up and get one. But so here's the 6600 awesome combine. So check out the 6-row head. I'm going to pull that off real quick. What I love about these combines is the heads are so easy to just slide on there. So you don't have to snap them on like an Erdl or something like that. Just set them on there. It's great. Fantastic. So check out this head. This is super cool. You've got lots of detail. Auger, you got your rollers in there and all that sort of thing. The snouts look great. I mean, they are spot on, accurate. The bottom is pretty plain Jane. Nothing wrong with that. And then I think, again, like maybe there's a little bit of chance for customization with a PTO auger here, or a PTO shaft maybe. But man, this thing's cool. Love it. Really excited to have a nice older combine with a 6-row head in my collection. Been wanting one for a long time. Moving on to the cutting platform. So, in our neck of the woods, this is wheat and soybean situation. Again, you've got the auger detail in there, and I love the yellow reel. Those it's just eye-catching when you see one with a yellow reel going through the field, right? I think so. Just a nice piece. And check this out. This has got like a little bit of detail back here. So that's cool. That's cool if that's kind of added back there. And then I guess the star of the show, of course, is the combine. And I mean, this thing is, instantly one of the coolest pieces in my collection. So yes, in case you're wondering, the auger does fold out. I mean, the cylinders work. That's cool. Really impressed by stuff like that because it's super frustrating for me to do things like that. So when I see something like that working, I'm always like pretty impressed with it. We've got flashers here. You got your grain auger, your clean grain auger there. There's a breather. You've got a muffler. The feeder house does raise and lower, so I thought that was really cool. The interior is just, it's got a steering wheel. It's got its actual steering wheel, so so it's not going to be hard to show you. But maybe I can go at this angle and show you. Actual steering wheel, seat, And there's kind of a side console with some levers on there. I know it's really hard to see on the camera. It's super dark under here for some reason. But handrails galore. I love the meshing around your hopper up here. I just think that's super cool. Just a great detail. You know, we could have very easily made that solid, and I think most people wouldn't care. So going this extra step and doing the meshing there, to me, makes all the difference. It takes this combine over the top. We've got lights, we've got a rail here, we've got our mirror out here. Another flasher, of course. Decals look great. Let's see if I can't get you a better view of that. Decals are fantastic on that. And then, of course, you got your spreader back here. Kind of pop up, and you can see there's some detail linkage and all that sort of things there. It does not steer. I kind of wouldn't expect it to be honest with you. Anyway. There it is, the old yellow top 6600. Anyway, that's kind of it, guys. I know you're probably thinking I had like boxes and boxes of stuff, which I did, but most of it is stuff that I bought as case lots to resell. So, you know, and maybe if you guys are interested, let me know if you're interested in seeing that stuff. I'd be more than happy to do a video on it, but just kind of didn't know if you guys would want to see something like that or not. So let's get this as our parting shot here. Think that'll fit? Oh yeah, look at that. Ertl and SpecCast could take a lesson there on how to make an auger go over a grain cart. Now don't get me wrong, that's barely over it. But it's over it. Anyway, let's just do this number. Let's get you down close and personal and see what that looks like kind of at ground level. I think it's cool, guys. I'm super excited. I love this grain cart. I don't know, maybe the combine's my favorite. I don't know. Which is your favorite? Anyway, let me know, guys. Talk to you later. Have yourselves a great day. Happy tractor hunting.